Another storm is brewing in West Asia. Just days when the world thought that the last war had actually silenced Iran's defenses, Tehran has bounced back with a very powerful new move. This time, it's not about drones or any missiles. It is about one of the deadliest air defense systems in the world, Russia's S-400. And now the big question is this just a test or the beginning of another war with Israel? Well, reports say that Iran secretly tested S-400 near Isfahan in late July. This is the very same region where just weeks earlier, Israeli jets had destroyed Iran's older S-300 system, leaving its skies almost naked. Back then, Israel owned the airspace, bombing Iranian radars, defense sites, and targets at its will. But now Tehran is trying to rewrite the story. Satellite images picked up something that is very unusual. The S-400 launch vehicles, powerful radars, and even test launches of missiles that can strike up to 400 kilometers away. You know what? If this is true, then this is a massive upgrade. Unlike the S-300, the S-400 can detect stealth jets, track thousands of targets at once, and lock onto incoming missiles before they can even reach the border. Now, for Israel, which has always counted on its air superiority, this is a nightmare. You know why this matters? This matters because in the last war, Israel's first move was to knock out Iran's defenses. And let me tell you, it succeeded. But this time, with Russian technology on Iranian soil, things could look very different. The S-400 is not just a weapon, it is a shield that could stop Israeli jets, drones, and even long-range missiles. And yes, here's a bigger picture. This isn't just about Iran and Israel, it is about Moscow too. By giving Iran this particular system, Russia is sending a loud and clear message to the West: our alliances are alive and we can change the battlefield overnight. Now, for Washington, that is already really worried about Iran's nuclear program, this is another headache. So, here's the bottom line. If Iran truly masters the S-400, the balance of power in the Middle East will shift. Israel will have to think twice before entering Iranian skies again, and for the rest of the world, well, for them, this raises one question. Are we looking at just another arms deal or the seeds of another big fight in the Middle East?